This contest is to fly your team's plane as long as possible. First team to hit the ground is up for elimination.
Whoa, this plane's made of paper? Not sure if that can support my weight.
Ready, set, go! How's the steering going?
There's no steering at all. This is actually just a paper plane.
Let's use Bommy to explode the other planes!
Gelatin.
Bommy is still our friend! And the answer is still
I'll get us to soar above the others.
You're killing it, Lightning!
No flying allowed!
Hey, do you think you can just disable Puffball instead of obliterating her?
Fine.
Get new!
Whoa!
Thank you for piloting, Tafid. Yeah, real pro, everybody! Cloudy's doing just fine over here.
I dunno, Balloony. It looks like it's hurting him.
It's sarcasm.
Oh, right. I keep forgetting.
Ah, we're falling!
Oh, we are falling.
Those guys need to learn about weight distribution. Whoa! Sorry, my stapler instincts just took over.
Wow, Yeep and Free Food seem to think it's a race.
Guys, aim for the cliff. We need to delay the impact.
If we don't make it over the cliff, we'll be first to hit the ground. We're not gonna make it. How do we steer this thing? There's no way to change the airflow. Change the airflow? Woody, you're a